Imagine this, it's a regular day just like any other. You're going about your daily routine when suddenly an alarm sounds. A nuclear attack warning. What happens next? First, let's understand what a nuclear attack actually involves. A nuclear bomb detonates, releasing immense amounts of energy in the form of blast waves, heat, and radiation. The initial blast can obliterate everything within a radius of several miles, depending on the bomb's yield. Now, if you're within a certain distance from the explosion, the first thing you'd notice is an intensely bright flash, brighter than the sun. It can cause temporary or permanent blindness to those looking directly at it. Within seconds, the shockwave arrives. Buildings may collapse, windows shatter, and the area around the blast will look like a scene from a disaster movie with debris everywhere. Next comes the heat. A nuclear explosion generates temperatures comparable to the interior of the sun. This can ignite fires over a wide area, leading to what is known as a firestorm, where multiple fires combine into one massive inferno. But the nuclear threat doesn't end there. Radiation begins to spread. This isn't like getting an X-ray. It's a deadly radiation that can cause radiation sickness and increase the risk of cancer among survivors. This radiation can linger, contaminating the air, water, and soil for miles. In the immediate aftermath, if you are not in the blast zone, the best thing to do is seek shelter. A basement or a purpose-built shelter are good options. Seal all windows and doors. Stay tuned to emergency services for advice on when it's safe to emerge. Long term, the effects of a nuclear attack can be devastating not just locally, but on a global scale. The environment could take years, if not decades, to recover. Social, economic, and political impacts would also be profound, reshaping countries and continents. Though it's a grim topic, understanding the potential consequences of a nuclear attack reminds us of the importance of peace and diplomacy in our world. Let's hope such knowledge is never needed, but let's stay informed always. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always refer to your local emergency services and government guidelines for detailed safety instructions and updates in such scenarios.